Tired of OneNote saving notebooks to random places? You open a notebook one day and it's stored somewhere in your OneDrive you can't find. Or worse, it's cluttering up your C drive with sync errors. Learn exactly how to change the default save location in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through opening notebook properties, changing the path, and waiting for the sync. Just 5 simple steps and you'll have full control. So the first thing we need to do is get OneNote opened up. And then we're going to head to the File menu. Now, the exact menu you see might look a little different between versions, so don't worry if it says Open or Info. With OneNote open, click File up in the top left corner. From there, look for either Open or Info. Both paths will get you to the same place. If you're managing an existing notebook, Info is usually the fastest way. If you're trying to sort out a new one, Open works just as well. Now, locate the notebook you want to move. You'll see your list of notebooks on the left side. Go ahead and right-click the one that's been causing you grief. That'll bring up a little menu, and from there, select Properties. This is where the magic happens, but don't worry, it's a lot simpler than it sounds. So here we are in the Notebook Properties window. Right in the middle of that window, you'll see a button that says Change Location. Give that a click. Now this is the part where you take back control. Instead of OneNote deciding where your notes live, you get to pick. A file browser window pops up, and this is where you choose your new folder. You can pick a folder on your local computer, maybe on a dedicated documents drive, or even a network drive if you share notebooks with a team. Just browse to the exact folder you want, click it once to highlight it, and then hit the Select button at the bottom. And here's the really important part. Make sure you choose a folder that you're going to remember. I like to create a dedicated OneNote Notebooks folder so everything stays organized. Once you click Select, OneNote gets to work. It'll prompt you to confirm the change, and then it starts moving your notes. This might take a moment to process, especially if you have a large notebook with lots of sections. So be patient here. Just watch for the sync icon or the sync status to finish. Don't close OneNote until that sync is complete. If you close it early, you risk the files not being in the right spot, which defeats the whole purpose. And that is it. Seriously. You just stepped through the exact navigation paths I use every time I set up a new machine. Your notebooks are now stored exactly where you want them, not scattered across random cloud folders or hidden in system directories. You're in control now. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.